everyone, I have a new cookbook alert for you. I have a feeling you guys may have already heard about this one because she is huge. She has millions of followers. Her first cookbook was a New York Times bestseller, and her new book is launching now. This is from fellow Canadian Carleigh Bodrug. PlantYou Scrappy Cooking is launching now, and I have a preview copy. It's one of the perks of being an author is that you get to see other vegan cookbooks when they come out. And this one's pretty dynamite, I have to say. It's really impressive, and I think it offers anybody brilliant tips, recipes, ideas on how to make use, not just recipes, because of course there's recipes in a cookbook, but how to make use of scraps of food, ideas to minimize your own waste. She wrote this book after hearing that 40 to 50% of food in the US goes to landfill. That's pretty huge. And so in this book, she gives us all kinds of ideas. I just want to highlight a few things. So first off, I really like this at the very beginning of the book. She has got this, make that. And so it's got icons of the food like strawberries, bell peppers, lettuce, cauliflower, and the recipes. If you have scrappy bits of food, what you can make with them in the cookbook. And at the end of the book, she has all of these DIY ideas like making beet powder and pomegranate powder. Really, really smart. My favorite thing about the book is in every recipe, she has the icons for the ingredients in the recipe itself like that. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. Carleigh, if I ever do another book, I'm probably going to do this too. So I'll give you credit. I think it's brilliant. It's really eye-catching. The recipes themselves are fully plant-based, and I've looked through them. So for those of you who do oil-free, most of these are oil-free. There's only a few that have it. So I think you would find like so much in this book to make and enjoy, and it wouldn't be a reason to not get it at all. It's gorgeous. It's a beautiful book, full color, all kinds of recipes and ideas. I think you should get yourself a copy. So link below in the description to pick up a copy. Congratulations, Carleigh. Have fun with your new book launch. I wish you the best.